Welcome to this new video on TechExpress. Through this video, you will get 10 knockout ways to double your sales. Just try these methods and share the results in the comments, and if you've tried one of these methods before, let's get to know the results you've got in the comments. Let's start first with the first method. When you sell or produce, follow with your customers through thank you pages via email so that this page contains more other products. Method 2, on the purchase page, tell your customers that there are other products to upgrade that is linked to the product that they are currently purchasing and can be added to the purchase order. Method 3, tell your customers, if he brings 4 other customers to the product page, you will send him a discount cap. Method 4, when you sell the product, tell your customers to subscribe to the retail system to double your profits. Method 5, place a simple ad for another product inside the product you are selling to go to the sales page of the new product. Method 6, put the product you promote with a package of other products for other promoters. Method 7, when delivering the product to the customer, send him a discount to another product when you buy it. Method 8, send your customers a catalog that contains additions to the current product, add-on services, or upgrades to the product. Method 9, sell reward certificates or gifts to your product, and you will get sales from buying gifts and buying other products from your site as well. Method 10, send your customers free products with the product you are selling now to motivate them to see the product page you are selling. Thank you for watching and sharing. To get a gift or a reward: 1. Share this video. 2. Subscribe to the channel. 3. Write a comment under the video containing your personal Facebook page to communicate with you and send the gift.